Welcome once again, everyone. Today we're making maple cinnamon plantain. We'll use our green plantains to make this video. So sit back and enjoy. So first we have our green plantains. We're going to need maple syrup. We're going to need cinnamon powder and some honey. I forgot to show you guys how to add the honey, but just add it to your liking. So there my mom is showing you the step-by-step process of how to peel your green plantains to use to make this delicious maple cinnamon plantain. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, follow, share, turn on your notifications so you do not miss when I post a video, and leave a comment just to keep us encouraged and to tell us what you like most about our videos, or if there's any special recipe that you would like for us to show you guys. So there you see she's coring it just to remove the outer skin and all the extra green skins from the meat of the plantain. And you can see this is the old school way, because this is my mom actually doing this portion. And there you have it, a completed peeled plantain. So then you're going to cut it in whatever shape you'd like. And I am just cutting it in a little slant fashion so it looks more delicious and tasty on the dish. And so then now you're going to heat up your skillet on medium heat, and I'm using some grapeseed oil here. You can use about a tablespoon or less, and you're going to let that warm up, and then you put some all-purpose, or if you can just put salt if you would like in yours. But once the oil is hot, then you start to put your plantains in. And you let them brown on each side for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Just check in between just to make sure that they have not been getting too brown on either side. And once you get it brown on one, you just flip it and get the other side to brown as well. Once both sides are brown, then you can drain them on some paper towel just to get that excess oil off, because this is going to be a double fry recipe. There you see I'm putting in a second batch of the same plantain, and so you can see how much serving you're able to get when you cut them slightly for your serving size. So there I'm using just the bottom of a bottle to press out the plantains that were earlier fried, and then we are going to be frying them again to get them crispy. So these are the ones that we had put in just before I showed you how to press the plantain, and we're doing the same motion. So once those have been removed, then we'll put our pressed plantains back into our skillet and fry them on both sides again, and you'll hear how crispy they are once they have double fried. You can also use a much riper plantain if you so choose, and we're going to be doing the same process as we did before. A minute or two on each side, and you flip them and then you drain them. There we do it again. We're adding our last batch, and there you see them. You hear how crispy they are, and we're using about a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then we're going to add some cinnamon powder. I am thinking about a 1/4 teaspoon, but you can add more. then you're just gonna mix it together so that the sugar and cinnamon get on your plantain. You don't want the plantains to be cold before you add your cinnamon and sugar so they can start to stick. And then you just add your maple syrup and your honey to this, about a teaspoon of each. If you want it sweeter, you can add more. And so there I'm showing you my maple syrup. I forgot to show you when I was adding my honey, but nevertheless you can add honey to it as well. Then you're just gonna combine it all together and add it to your protein and carbohydrate dish, and there you have it, a tasty maple honey cinnamon plantain. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.